As students from the Falmouth Marine School, we've always dreamed of adventures on the open water. But what if I told you we didn't just sail on any boat? We were lucky enough to step aboard Pelew, a faithful recreation of the 1852 pilot cutter Vincent. She was designed to be the largest and the fastest of her kind, built with a strong oak frame and towering Douglas fir spars, and with a tiller to steer and massive sails to raise. This isn't just a trip. It's a hands-on journey into maritime history. Join us as we take you on a sailing adventure from our own perspective, learning the ropes and feeling the power of this incredible vessel. This is our story, a student's point of view on the Pellew Pilot Cutter sailing adventure. Ready?
Yeah. Hi guys! No. Let's do it together, not just me.
What's up?
Hello.
Day one of the sea phase. We've turned to starboard.
Very excited.
On the
quite a lot nervous.
Little anxious about getting seasick. Cue edit.
Yeah. Foreshadowing.
HNC Professional Super Yacht Engineering. Here we go.
Let's go.
When he went off in the summer, absolutely gorgeous. A loop built.
First test, get on board. We're on board. Hello. First rain, first of many. Rain count 1. The size of these things.
When you're going below, go down backwards. The steps are really wet. We've had so many people fall down the steps. It's a long way down there.
Go on, Beth. You haven't got a clue. Bottom of the sail?
Yeah, it's the bottom back triangle.
This is great, loving it. Are you seasick yet?
Not yet.
On a gas boat.
Jaffa cakes.
Everyone up for tea and coffee?
We're having our coffee. It's great. Dylan's feeling seasick.
Cheers.
You guys are funny. This is a lovely day.
Yeah, we basically show you through how to do knowledge.
The hat is not going to stay on.
Save the hat on the Jaffa cake.
I could be seasick or wet.
Yes.
Yeah, it is pretty nice.
Oh, I found the engineering workshop. Beautiful woodworking tools here. But beautiful toilet.
Chicken, lettuce, man.
Homemade?
Yeah.
You made it?
Mum made.
Mum made?
Yeah.
That's made.
On top of the sail.
Exactly like that.
That was dramatic. Get it in there.
Right, so now come on.
Now you're going to pull it that way.
And hold it. Okay, so we reach through.
Brilliant, no concerns.
Go on, Luca.
So much.
Okay, just huge thank you to the builder and captain of the boat, Luke. Pelew was a lot of fun. Join me next time as I feed the fishes with turn to starboard. Another sailing adventure awaits.
This is the best footage we had all week.